Oh, where's the water? What the freak? Holy shit. I got the engine running. Less smoke than before, actually. Wasn't running as rich. Ёбаный рот. This video is made by... Nobody! Ha! Welcome back. I'm back here again. Last time I was here we had a bit of a water shooting out of the exhaust situation. Well, there's the problem. You see this shit? Ow. Damn. You wanna fucking see some real funny shit? Watch this. This is the air intake filter thingy. Lads, we have water leaking. Starting to lose this little nut here. It's actually coming out with the whole like thingy that screws into the engine for some reason. Well, I just took off this thing. There are a couple of pieces missing here, and this one just came off. So I don't think we're gonna be able to use this bad boy again. So I took off the cover. There's a bit of diesel in here. I took off some of these. I took this off and these out. Okay, it's the next day. Yeah, can you see? You see? That's water. Let me try to move the tractor. Shake the tractor a bit. See? That's full of water. Okay guys, check the oil. It's kind of greeny-ish, a little bit green. So it has mixed in with some diesel from somewhere. Oh god. Shit. This is all gonna get rusty if I need to clean it up. What's up guys? Next day. Very sunny day. Very nice weather recently. I have the light working fantastic. Might need to lower it slightly. But what I've been doing, where's my tool? I'm gonna show you what I've been doing for the past, before I started filming. I've taken this kinda sharp but not really knife, and I've been going around these rings and scratching off any unnecessary residue that's been there. And yeah, it's pretty clean, honestly. So right now I'm gonna show you how to clean the oil filter that is over here. I took this thing off. It just comes off with 2 bolts. Then there's a thingy there that you have to unscrew a nut here for. This one right here, you just take it off and then just, you know, take it out, take the thingy out, the thingy that spins around, that just goes up, just one nut and goes up. It's pretty straightforward. And now it's right here. This is the thing that came out. It's got a bit of oil in it, so might want to use some gloves. And the way you open this up is you just open this nut. It wasn't that tight for some reason, so you know, just kind of opens up like this. Don't lose any parts or drop them in the sand, so be careful. Also, I need to wear gloves. Hopefully you can see. Let me just get some shitty gloves. Now this should just come off. Do it like this. There we go. Holy moly, that's a lot of shit in there. So I've been busy for like a half an hour cleaning out the filter. As you can see, it's all nice and shiny and clean. So I'm gonna put that together and probably not put it in on the tractor just yet. As you can see, this is all nice and clean, and there should be free flowing oil or something through this little nut and this little nut. So make sure you have these open. And for cleaning, I just use some like fucking old gloves and a bit of old fuel. Problem is right here. This is blown out. It's just completely burned and ruined, and not you just, this isn't even fixable. See how fucked up that is? Not fixable at all. I mean, you can replace these, but you know, the head's completely messed up. So yeah, a great episode. I'm gonna go now. See ya.
Тормоз газ, автоваз, копейка и наш карбас, селимся,